Alright, these are rocker trims for a Mustang, and they go along the rocker, the bottom edge of the Mustang itself. So these are aluminum moldings, and each one of these of course had the little protector that goes on the inside, which you really can't see a lot of it because it fits so perfectly. And there's nothing here that's this size, but oh sorry, these go in each of these little holes and they just kind of snap in. So that's one thing that I need a lot of. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and but here's the piece that I was telling you about that I was needing to try to make, and it's a stamped plastic piece done in the 70s, 69, and it's got a pin or a tab and then a tab on the end, so it fits up underneath this molding, and then it snaps into this hole. And the reason for it is it protects the paint on the car. I'm not sure that it protects it much, since it's from wear and vibration. It's still gonna, this plastic piece is gonna be up against the paint, and it overlaps the edge here. And as you can look, they're funky shapes. Not only that, each piece has an opposite, and then the different moldings has a different size piece. Like the molding I have here is correct for that. The molding I have here is that's not the piece that goes there, but it's a similar piece. It may be a larger piece, but anyway, so I've got these. I tried to spray on some rubber coating, and I mean, if it really stuck good, I could build that up, and then it would have a rubberized coating here that hits the car instead, which this is looking pretty good. I'm not sure. This right here is Flex Seal, and I was wanting to get the Flex Paste so you could just fill this area up with that. And then the contour, of course, you would want to have a piece of metal that's fabricated to where you can press it down in there to where it gives you the car contour, and then have some mold release agent on there, so once you undo the clamp, it would basically, it would dry and it would have that contour just like this has contoured shape. So that's one thing, but because I don't think I'm going to be able to build molds and remake these as much as I'd like to, and most of the people just put these on their cars without any of this stuff on there once they refinish these pieces. And like this says Mach 1, each one of these holes represents a MACH1, Mach 1. So, and each one of these little places gets a piece of trim up on the top. Like so. But even underneath that, each one of these little holes in the end get one of these little pieces here. So you got these that get these little pieces. You got these bigger trim moldings that get the ends, and then in each one of these holes you're going to have a car protector on it. So lots of these holes, and these are screw holes, so this one just gets the ends, these ends here. So